For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, today we are going to make Kela Vada with a twist. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for Kela Vada are bananas, mint leaves, sweet corn, ghee, garam masala, salt, mustard seeds, urad dal, green chilies, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, curry leaves, Pav Bhaji Masala, oregano and powdered sugar. Take 2 tablespoons ghee. Once the ghee is heated, we will add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds. Once you can hear the crackling sound, we will add half tablespoon urad dal. In that we will add 4-5 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, and now you can switch off the flame. Tadka is ready. Take 2 bananas, pressure cook it and just smash it. We'll add 2 tablespoons boiled sweet corn, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala, 3 teaspoon green chillies, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon oregano, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon mint leaves, and then the tadka which we just made. Now just mix all of this together and this is done. Now we are just going to roll out small balls. So the size completely depends on you all. I'm going to make them small, something of this size, so more like 1 bite appetizer. Ingredients required for the batter are gram flour, sweet corn, paneer, water, garam masala, pav bhaji masala, turmeric powder, salt and green chilies. First we will take 3/4 cup of gram flour. We will add 2 tablespoons crushed boiled sweet corn, 2 tablespoons grated paneer, half teaspoon pav bhaji masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half tablespoon green chilies, salt to taste and water as required to make the batter. Just mix it nicely till it becomes smooth and our batter is ready. Once our oil is heated, just take the Kela Vadas which we just made and then just fry it. Once it's golden brown, just remove it. Remove the excess oil. Kela Vada is ready. Fry the rest of them similarly. Our Kela Vadas are ready. I hope you like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.